Hey guys, we've got another DrapeFit unboxing for today. I absolutely love getting my DrapeFit boxes in the mail. They are an affordable clothing subscription where you get super personal stylist, like you get an actual personal experience with DrapeFit, all for an affordable price without having to sacrifice any of the quality of the items that you get. I am so super excited to get in here. It is summer weather here. It is 90 degrees like every single day. So I'm really hoping for some good summer pieces in here. But everything I get from DrapeFit is absolutely amazing. So I'm absolutely excited to get in here and see what they sent me. Alright, you open it up and this is the way it looks. Right on top you have your DrapeFit envelope. And inside you'll find all the important information that you need. It'll have your price list for your items in your box. And it will also have a note from your personal stylist, along with a little card that has all of the information about the company itself and how to get in touch with them if you need to. And it also shows you where all their socials are, and you can go and follow them on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest. They're on all of it, so search them up and give them a follow, because they're always kind of posting little sneak peeks over there for the seasons and everything. So be sure to give them a follow. And like I said, my price list and my note from my personal stylist. So let's see what she says about this month. She says, "My name is Paulette and I'm excited to style this fit and help refresh your wardrobe with some versatile and style pieces. Let's dive in, including the trendy wide leg jeans. These jeans are a modern staple, offering a clean and polished look that are perfect for casual outings. Pair them with the black crop top or gray and black Carolyn Taylor Reeves button turtleneck top, or the floral square neck peplum top. For the perfect summer dress, I chose one beach floral tank dress for you. How did you like the fit box and style of these pieces? What else are you looking to add to your closet for summer? Can't wait to hear from you. Please don't forget to share your fit photos in social media and tag us #DrapeFit. Happy styling, XOXO, Paulette." So I've had the same stylist. I've been with DrapeFit for a little over a year now, and I've had Paulette the whole time, and I really feel like it is like sending my best friend shopping for me. Like, I don't even have to worry about refreshing my wardrobe, because I know I'm going to get the things that I already love in my DrapeFit boxes. And you'll also find your little return bag. You only pay for what you keep. So if something doesn't work for you or it's not the right size, you can just send it back in here, and you only pay for the things that you actually keep. So let's open it up. Right here on top. Ooh, that's pretty. It's a dress. It is by the brand Simple Fun, and it's a really lightweight cotton dress. It's got these pretty blue flowers on it, and it's just a sleeveless lightweight dress. Looks like it has pockets, so that will be nice to wear on the hot summer days. And then we have, oh, is this the crop top? Oh no, this is so cute. Okay, this is the high neck top here. It is, oh my goodness, I absolutely love this. It crisscrosses in the front. I can't wait to try this on and show y'all, because it's going to look so good on. It's got a ribbed material, which is really trending and really in right now. I feel like this is going to be really flattering. I love things that come up on the neck. I don't know, I feel like it gives it that little extra level of like sophistication, and you just look a little more put together. So I feel like that is going to be absolutely great. It is by the brand Meadow Shop. So I think we've gotten something from them before and I liked it. So I think that's a really good company. And then we have this top here. It is by the brand Carolyn Taylor. It has got some buttons here, and it is a long sleeve, but it's a really thin fabric. So this would be nice on those cooler nights, like at the beach, if you're on your little beach trip, or if you live by the beach. You need a little sweater at night because it gets a little cool with that wind coming off the ocean, or even at the lake even. So you have your little top to throw on and keep warm with your little like ripped shorts or something. So that is cute. And then oh, this is so pretty. Oh, I love this. This is pretty. It is by the brand Sugar Lips, and it is a white floral top. It's got yellow and pink flowers on it, and it's got the little tie in the front, and it's got ruffles at the end of the sleeves, at the end of the hemline here, and along the arm edges, and it also goes along the back. So I love that, and I love this little like square neck. It kind of comes down in a square neck. So I think that's going to look gorgeous on. All right, and then we have the denim pants. Oh, I can already tell I'm going to absolutely love these. They're like a cargo style pant. They've got 2 cargo pockets here and 2 on the other side. They are by the brand High Five, and they seem like they are a really good quality jean. I hope these fit well because I love this. They're a wide leg. I love a wide leg. I'm really into the looser, like wide leg, kind of baggy pants. I don't know what it is, but it's just more comfortable to me, and I feel like it flatters my figure a little more. So cannot wait to try these all on. So let's get into it and see what all of these look like on. Okay, this is the dress, and I have to say I really, really like it because I wasn't so sure about it. I wasn't sure about the actual pattern of the flowers on it, but it fits so well, and it's so loose and comfortable. But even with it being loose fitting, it still has that cut to kind of give me my shape. And of course, a dress with pockets is always a plus. I love that it's sleeveless, so you're going to keep cool that way as well. And like I said, it is a light cotton fabric, but it's not too, it's a light fabric, but not a sheer fabric. Because I am wearing a black bra under this, and you can't tell. So it's not sheer. It's a really good made fabric, but it is also loose and thin. So it's a loose, light fabric that you're not going to get hot in. And I think this is going to be perfect to throw on with some little cute sandals and just have the perfect little beach summer moment. This outfit is 100% my style. Like, this is what I usually gravitate to. So I loved seeing this in there. These jeans are phenomenal. I love, love, love the double cargo moment here. It's a perfect length for me, and I think these are going to look great with some little wedges or some little combat boots or some Mary Janes. Like, this is really, really cute, and it fits really well. I love the structure of the denim. It's a really good, solid denim. If you are a denim lover, you know exactly what I mean. These are really rough and tough. They're not going to rip or tear easily. They don't have, if they have any stretch in them, it's not much. So I do love that they actually fit, because it's hard to find a denim that doesn't have the stretch, which when you add stretch into a denim, it actually takes away from the durability of the denim. So I love that these fit, and they don't have, if they have any, they don't have much stretch in them at all. So I love that these are going to last. And I love, 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 love the style. I reach for a denim pant. It is one like this, because these are perfect. And this top, oh my gosh. I love that it's ribbed. The whole rib material is so trending right now. And I love the way it fits. It kind of gives that, like, it kind of gives the flexibility of molding to your shape, but also not being too tight. I love the crisscross neck moment here. I love that my shoulders are out, and you can see my tattoo, and it is summer, it is hot, and you are not going to get hot in this top. The back is also really, really cute. It's just got the straight straps in the back, and it comes down into a square back there. But 100% in love with this whole entire outfit. Like even my jewelry goes with it today. Like, it was like I just manifested this whole outfit. So absolutely perfect. Then, like I was saying, you can always take this little sweater that they included, and on those cool summer nights where the wind's coming off of the lake or the ocean, you can just pop on your little sweater over what you have on and have a little warm moment. And it is like I said, it is a sweater. It is a long sleeve, but it's not super thick. It's still a pretty thin fabric, so it's just going to give you enough warmth that you need on those cooler summer nights. You know, those rainy nights or those stormy nights where it's just got a cool breeze. This will be perfect for that. And I love the little button detail here. So really super cute. I love how soft it is, and I love the stripes. I'm really into stripes right now. This is such a pretty floral top. I love the flowers. I love the tie in the front. I love the little ruffles. If you are needing a little feminine moment, this is an absolutely perfect top. You can pair it with these jeans with some little chunky sneakers or a cute little sandal, even like a little white heel. That'd be perfect for summertime. And it's a really good fabric again. Like I said, I've got on a black bra. You can't see through it. So it's really great quality. And it is double lined, but it's sewn together, so that's where you're getting that. But it's not a heavy fabric, so you're not going to get hot. I absolutely love a square neck. I love a square. I don't know what it is. I either want like a really high neck or a square neck. Like, I love a square neck moment. I don't know what it is, but it's just really, really pretty. You don't see it that often anymore, and I just think it's really pretty. So I love that this top has that, along with the ruffles and the floral and the ribbon. It just gives you a whole feminine moment, and I love that more like feminine girly styles are coming back in. We can embrace the pinks and the purples and the flowers and the ruffles and the bows. I love that that is such a movement right now, because every once in a while you just want to throw on something that makes you really feel really girly, really pretty, and this is the absolute perfect top for that. Oh my goodness, those clothes are so cute. Okay, so let's get into the prices. This is where the affordability really is evident. The floral square neck puffin top is $26.50. The beach floral casual tank dress is $28.50. The Carolyn Taylor Reeves button turtleneck is $24.99. The sultry side low waist cargo denim pants are $30. Those jeans are only $30. That's crazy great. Oh my goodness. Okay. And the rib knit cross neck halter crop top, which I think was my favorite thing. I don't know. The jeans are really great too. That black top and those jeans are just together. Anyways, that black top is $27.99. That gives you a total of $137.98 for this box. But what I absolutely love about DrapeFit is they give you a 25% off discount if you keep everything in your box. So if I were to keep all of these items, they would take off $34.49, which would give me a new total of $103.49. So $100 to keep the whole box, and most other subscriptions are charging you that just for one item, and you get 5 items with DrapeFit. So absolutely love DrapeFit, and as you can see why. Really great clothes, really great quality, and really great prices. If you're not already signed up for DrapeFit, I will put the link down below where you can do that, and I'll also have a code down there where you can save $10 off your box. They offer women's, men's, and kids clothing subscriptions, so be sure to hit that link and check them out. And while you're there, if you don't mind, give this video a thumbs up, leave me some love down in the comments. Let me know what was your favorite thing out of all the things I got, because I can't decide if it's the black top or the cargo pants, because I love them so much, especially together. But anyways, you let me know your opinion on all of the items I've got. What should I keep, and what should I send back, or should I just keep it all? Because that's the great thing about that discount. It's really just worth keeping it all. So it's an amazing, amazing price. And if you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified every time I have a new upload. If you're not already subscribed, I do unboxings, try-ons, hauls, vlogs, just little style bits here and there. We have a lot of fun over here. So be sure to subscribe so we can hang out later, and I will see you in the next one.